We know we won't.
Hey, we are back. Okay, so we were with the lenders earlier, and I'm Kim, half of Kim and Denise, and half of Kim and Denise and Jessica now for the 7 steps from renter to owner. And as you know, 7 steps from renter to owner, January 19th. We're going to see you there, right? I see you. We're going to see you there. You're going to get so much information. Earlier, we were talking about the lender's information. A little bit later in the seminar, we have a very important piece of info for you, and that is your insurance. With the fires that we just had and the mudslides and all of these things that are going on, your insurance is more important than ever. And many times people don't really see the value. So we are here at Farmers Insurance in Calabasas with
Burt Harris.
That's our insurance reps. One of our great insurance reps. Many of you that are homeowners through us already know this brokerage. But one of the things we wanted to discuss is some of the things that are going to be coming up in the seminar on January 19th, Saturday at IHPC in Woodland Hills. And one question that people are asking so much right now after the fires is being underinsured and how to avoid it. So we thought we'd just go ahead and ask the expert. Being underinsured, it's a big topic. How do you avoid that?
You avoid that by communicating with your insurance company, with your agent. In the recent fires and all, we're able to see the outside of the house ahead of time. But if you have things going on inside your house, we need to be able to speak with you to keep things updated. So we're able to give you what you had before the disaster.
And depending on what kind of coverage you have, my understanding is, so if you paid a premium for replacement value, then you can actually get those items replaced. If you pay a premium for depreciation, is it called? Then that's a different payout. So you may not get a brand new kitchen or a brand new build. Exactly. Your build value would be a little different.
Right. There's policies that have guaranteed replacement costs, and there's some that have actual cash value. Actual cash would just be whatever the item was worth at the time of the fire. So if you had a 10-year-old table and it got destroyed, we'd give you value for an old table. If you have replacement costs on your policy, we'd get you money for a brand new table. It makes a difference in the policies. And again, it's why it's important to communicate with your agent to keep up with these things.
So call your insurance rep. Hopefully that is right here, Burt at Farmers Insurance in Calabasas. Call them. Let them know what's going on. Let them know that you just put in a brand new kitchen, that you put in a pool, that you rebuilt and added on, so that they can adjust your insurance. When you get that phone call that says, time to reevaluate, do they want to ignore that call?
They tend to, because they think we're trying to just sell them something. The fact is, we're just trying to protect you from the unexpected. That's the problem. You only appreciate insurance when something bad happens. So we're trying to take care of it ahead of time.
So if you got your insurance 10 years ago and you didn't increase that value, or you don't increase your insurance to cover it, then your value when it's time to replace is going to be the value of 10 years ago. Is that correct? Depending on the policy.
Depending on the policy, that's right. And again, that's why once a year at least to go over what's going on, and then we can make sure we have the things up to date.
So don't ignore that call when they say we need to evaluate. Don't think it's only because they want to charge you a higher rate. No, it's to protect you and make sure that in the event of an emergency, like the fires, like the mudslide, like anything else that can happen, we do live in earthquake country, that you can get that replacement done. It can be realistic for you, and it protects you. But you're going to find out about more of that, all of that, and so much more when you come on January 19th. So make sure that you join us. Register through Eventbrite, through Facebook. If you need to inbox us, inbox up so we can make sure that we get you there. We're going to walk you through from credit repair to moving into your new home on January 19th at the 7 steps from renter to owner. We're going to see you there, right? It's January. 2019 is going to be our best year yet. But you got to start off by taking the first step to make it everything you want to be. Become a homeowner. January 19th. See you there.